We got massive structural damage. Once we get more resources here, we're trying to get primary search. We've got pretty serious damage to the structure.
Tonight at 5:30, we are staying on top of the latest out of Bedford County after officials tell us an appliance sparked an explosion inside this church, Forest Level Baptist Church.
We have live team coverage from the scene. ABC 13's Rachel Tillepaugh leads off our coverage with how church leaders are coping with all this. Rachel.
Noreen Danner, I'm here at Forest Level Baptist Church, which saw some pretty heavy damage to the outside. I'm going to step out of frame so you can see some of that damage. You can see walls pushing outward and the roof seeing damage here as well. On the inside, it's even more. Bedford firefighters took photos of the aftermath inside the building. There's debris throughout the sanctuary with seating and chairs thrown everywhere. Luckily, no one there was hurt and no one was there at the time. ABC 13 caught up with one of the pastors surveying the damage.
It's a lot of history here. We've been here a long time, and matter of fact, the church has been here over 151 years, and we've been thankful for the opportunity to serve here and to have such a tragedy happen. It's been heartbreaking.
Pastor Marson Wilson says they are trusting God through the time and working to move forward. The fire marshal tells me they believe there was an internal LP gas leak, but are working to learn which appliance sparked the explosion. The inspector was out here earlier today. They hope to have a clearer picture of what happened, what sparked the explosion in the next 1 to 2 days. Reporting live in Forest, Rachel Tillepaugh, ABC 13 News.
Thank you, Rachel. And the church has posted on their Facebook page they are welcoming donations as they work to rebuild. Those can be sent to the church through Givelify online or mailing them to P.O. Box 306 in Forest, Virginia.
Lots of folks that live nearby the church felt and heard that explosion last night. ABC 13's Alexia Stanbridge spoke with one woman who lives right next door and attends that church as well. She joins us live from the scene.
Evelyn Reed says last night's explosion shook her house, and it sounded like dynamite. She says she's been going to this church her whole life, and she feels a lot of sadness because this church feels like home to her. It is somewhere she grew up going to and has many memories at.
It's a sadness because I think about all of the hard work that went into it, different programs that we put on to build that church after our parents and grandparents sacrificed.
Even though Reed lives right next door, she says she hasn't gone to see the damage because she says the thought of it hurts enough. She says she doesn't know exactly what her congregation will do next, especially with Christmas right around the corner. But she asks for your prayers. Reporting live in Forest, Alexia Stanbridge, ABC 13 News.
And ABC 13 was first on scene and the first to alert you about this news. You can stay up to date on all the latest news by using our ABC 13 News app, then sign up for push alerts so you're the first to get breaking news as it happens.